Hey guys, it's Matt with Grizzly-Outdoors. Today we got something in the mail from Lone Wolf Distributors. You got the recoil spring with the Gen 4 to Gen 3 adapter for 9mm. We also got a Lone Wolf 40 to 9 conversion barrel with a threaded end on it. They're all out of the standard. I was going to order one of each, the standard and the threaded, but they're all sold out. So I'll go ahead and show you how to install this one. This will be on my wife's gun. Make sure that's tight. Pretty easy to install. You just put you have to have the thread protector off when you install the barrel. Nice little addition to be able to shoot 9mm. And then eventually we're working on getting a silencer for the house gun, just so you don't kill ears at night if something ever happens. But definitely go check them out. All sorts of cool stuff in here. But one thing I do want to point out, so I was going to get a standard and the threaded. I carry the Glock 23 in a crossbreed holster. And I did try it with the threaded end on it, and it doesn't seem to poke or bother at all carrying it. So that is, if you're looking at that option, you have a crossbreed, it will work. It's a nice carry package. Home defense, bedside gun, whatever you want to use it for. Lets you shoot the 9mm, which is getting hard to find right now. I'm surprised. Just ordered 1,000 rounds from S&G Ammo. They had a pretty good price there, but they were selling out of that pretty quick too, so. Just looks cool. Alright, well thanks for watching. Figured I'd show that guy off here. Just looks nice. Glock 23 with a threaded barrel and a TLR1 streamlight.